Hey friends, this video is about Pagefly Shopify Tutorial 2023. Let's get started. Here I am on the dashboard. Let's go to the Apps option from here. Once you click on it, you will get a search bar. From here you can search the app, but I will click on Apps and Sales Channels from the bottom of the pop-up. Then click on the Shopify App Store. After clicking on it, you can see the page here. From the search bar, we can search for the app we want. I will go with Pagefly. When different pages will appear, let's click on Pagefly app. It will open after a while. Now you have to install it here simply by clicking on the Install option. It will take some time to open. Once it opens, this type of page will appear. Here again, click on Install the app from the upper right corner. After its install, you will be led to the dashboard. On the left side, you will see different options here, like content, analytics, marketing, discounts, online store, point of sale, Pagefly page builder, then dashboard, and many more. Here we are on the dashboard. Let's have a look at it, simply by scrolling down. Then we have pages, scroll down and have a look at it. Then sections, have a look at it in detail if you want to. Here is also analytics, and then extra functions and preferences. If you look further, you will settings option here. Now let's click on pages to see how you can create a page. So just scroll down and then click create from the templates. Then from the drop-down menu, select the category. You can choose any of your choices. I am going with regular category. Now select the page template of your choice. From here I am going with this one, click on it. See, it is an amazing template from here. You can choose the device view of this template. On a laptop, it will look like this. On a tablet, it will look like this. And this is the phone view. You must be focused on these views while designing the page. If you look further, there will be some other options like this. From the drop-down you will choose any options that you want. Now let's go over the left side. Here you can see the options and you can add elements from here. You can add the layout of your choice from here, and then here is the content list, then slideshow, tab, and then according, and many more. And other options, you can use them according to your need. Now click on Add Pagefly Elements. You will find others here, like products, collections, forms, and blog posts. From here, you will find the Add Their Part option and extra third-party applications. From here, you can add third-party applications. Now let's click over the containers, then go for the layout if you want to change the layout of the page. You can add it to the page and then fix it where you want. On the right side, you will see different options for editing. You can add more items here, like columns or rows. You can also delete them if you don't want to. You can also edit or delete the stuff you don't want. You will find different options here. Then you can edit or design it from the given option, and once it is done, click on the Save button on the right corner. Now add the title of the page here, and then click on the Save button. Once it is saved, go over the Public button from the upper right corner. You must have add a page title and then a page URL. Click Done when you add both. Now let's go back to the Shopify store and then go over the pages. Here you will find your created page. So that was all about Pagefly Shopify Tutorial 2023. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.